Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a custom ringtone or notification tone like this.
The how-to world.
So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything.
So guys, to create a custom ringtone or a notification tone, all you have to do is just open your internet browser and go to this website called voicemaker.in. Now simply type your ringtone text here. Now from down here you can select your ringtone voice language, and from down here you can select voice type from these various options. Let's select this one. Now scroll down and click on this convert to speech button.
The how-to world.
Now scroll up, and from here you can actually play your ringtone audio.
The how-to world. The how-to world.
Once done, simply click on this download button to download this ringtone. Once the download is complete, you can set this as a ringtone or a notification tone like this.
The how-to world.
So guys, this is how you can create your custom ringtone or a notification tone with a few easy steps.
So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.